Oh yeah, just arrived. Had to send to my buddy's house so I get it done. And this is for the 2020 Ford Explorer. Let's just hope that is not a problem. Oh man, the rest of the box looks fine. Plus horsepower and torque guaranteed. Woo! Sounds good. Let's give it a shot. This is for the 2020 Ford Explorer. Here's your models. There you have it. Came from K&N to Amazon. There's the stuff. Now, let's see what the inside of this box looks like. So here's what comes with it. So somewhere in here, I'm hoping that we have the instructions for the Explorer. And yep, that looks like the instructions to the Explorer. That's what I was wondering where that guy went. All right. Here's all the parts. Gotta take all that off to start. Let you guys get the rundown of the whole thing. Pretty straightforward. All right, now what do we have here? It's saying, let me see, down with your research. So apparently you're getting at least 10 horsepower or something like that. Run title, stock, same as mine. And you got a few stickers in here. If you want to adorn your car with some stickers, you got that. Let's see what they look like. You have this one. And that one. Pretty cool. All right, now let's get it on the car. Morning of the next day. There we have it. Here's the filter. Now someday this is gonna get easy doing that one-handed phone holding thing and trying to open something. But till then, let's see what we got here. That's slippery. It's juiced up. That's the size of this guy. Cool. Here's the tube. Nice pretty tube. You have the hole for the sensor. And there you go. Here's the hole for the sensor. Then you have this plate which poked itself out of the box. Hopefully that wasn't a big deal for it. Everything looks intact. Doesn't look bent. Oh man. This is gonna be so cool. What? Alright, let's see. We got this guy. This guy. It's supposed to be here somewhere. Here's for the hood. Pretty cool, man. I like it when these boxes come with that stuff. And all the hardware. Doesn't look like a lot of work. It's supposed to be like a good 45 minutes, I think. I don't know. Some of these things are 45 minutes. Not sure what this one is. But it can't be that long. And then guaranteed horsepower and torque. So if you thought the filter wasn't cool enough, it's the exact color of the car. Come on, bro. What are the odds of that? So that's great. So that comes with a sticker. You put it over here. We're going a different route. So I'm putting it on YouTube. So I get this. And that's good enough for me, man. Shit. There you go. Get that little wrinkle out. Perfect, bro.